This video is about sharing posts on social media. So here to do that, I had to install a plugin which is Sassy Social Media. So Sassy Social Media over here we can find standard interface where we have to select like which social media I want to share with. Here I have selected Facebook, WhatsApp, Insta and Twitter as it's a restaurant review. So these social medias are enough. Or I can select some more if I want to, like LinkedIn, but and also undo it. Also can undo it. Then I have uh, to see what changes I have done over here. I have to go to my restaurant review section. Here I can see over here like the sharing options like Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp and Insta. And so if I want to share in Instagram, I clicked over here. I have to log in over here. Um, then I can share over here. Thank you.